Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Amazon Fund, which is the best Amazon fund for biodiversity conservation. When I first started looking into ways to support the Amazon rainforest, I was overwhelmed. Amazon Fund is a term that actually covers a few different massive initiatives. To cut through the noise, I focused on what really delivers results for biodiversity on the ground. The one fund that consistently stood out to me as the most established and impactful for protecting the Brazilian Amazon's immense biodiversity is the Amazon Fund, Fundo Amazonia. It's a public fund managed by the Brazilian Development Bank, BNDES, and it's the largest global effort of its kind. My personal experience studying the financial mechanisms in this area taught me that this fund is unique because it's a REDD+, reducing emissions from deforestation and forest degradation mechanism. This means that donor countries, like Norway and Germany, pay into it based on Brazil's verified success in reducing deforestation. It's not just a donation, it's a performance-based incentive. This structure is critical because it forces a focus on measurable conservation outcomes, which is exactly what we need for biodiversity. I've seen how the money is used, and it's not just big, abstract projects. The Amazon Fund supports a diverse portfolio of projects that directly impact biodiversity conservation. It funds better monitoring and control systems. This includes satellite surveillance and operational support for environmental agencies and military police, which means catching illegal loggers and miners in real time. Without this law enforcement, the most biologically rich areas are lost. It supports sustainable productive activities. This is the game changer for long-term conservation. It provides financing and technical support to communities, including indigenous peoples and traditional populations, for activities like sustainable agroforestry, management of non-timber forest products, and ecotourism. This creates a financial incentive for the people who live in the forest to keep it standing, which is the best way to protect biodiversity. It invests in land use planning and management of protected areas. This helps ensure that indigenous territories and conservation units are formally recognized and have the resources to be managed effectively. Securing these massive, pristine areas is fundamentally securing countless species. In my view, the Amazon Fund is the best because of its scale, its direct link to government anti-deforestation policy, and its focus on empowering the local people who are the real guardians of the forest's immense variety of life. It's a mechanism that aligns global conservation goals with local economic development, proving that you don't have to choose between people and the planet. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.